Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived a loyal dog named Buddy. He had soft, brown fur and the most expressive eyes you can imagine. Buddy's tail seemed to have a life of its own, constantly wagging with uncontainable excitement. Buddy lived with the Thompson family. The Thompsons were a kind and loving family with two children, Lily and Jake. Buddy was like a sibling to them, always ready to play, protect and offer his unconditional love. As the sun rose each morning, Buddy would greet the family with his joyful bark. He made the mundane mornings feel like the start of a grand adventure. Buddy's days were filled with playful romps in the yard, chasing after balls, and long walks in the nearby forest with the children. He was more than a pet. He was a cherished member of the family. One brisk autumn morning, as Lily and Jake were getting ready for school, they noticed something unusual in Buddy's behaviour. He was lying near the doorstep, whimpering softly. Lily knelt down and asked, "What's the matter, Buddy?" Jake added, "Yeah, you're usually so excited in the morning." Buddy, unable to speak, simply gazed at the forest with his big, expressive eyes. It was as if he were trying to convey something important. Their curiosity piqued. Lily and Jake decided to follow Buddy into the forest. With every step, Buddy led them deeper into the woods. They could feel the crisp leaves beneath their feet and hear the chirping of birds in the trees. After a while, Buddy stopped in front of a large tree and began to dig energetically. He was digging with such determination that it didn't take long for the children to realize what he had found. It was a tiny, trembling puppy, no older than a few weeks. Lily and Jake were amazed. The puppy was frightened, cold and hungry. Without hesitation, they scooped it up and decided to bring it home. Buddy's message was clear. He wanted to help the lost puppy, and he had trusted Lily and Jake to do just that. The family named the puppy Lucky, a fitting name given the circumstances. Buddy, with his kind heart, had truly lived up to his name. He had shown them that not all heroes wear capes. Some have wagging tails and a heart full of love. Thank you for watching. Your attention means everything to us. We've tirelessly curated this content, hoping to spark your interest. Our goal is to consistently offer you engaging, top-tier material that leaves you wanting more. If you've enjoyed our work, feel free to hit the subscribe button. This simple action is an effective way to support us, so don't forget to subscribe.